Well, good morning. Doctors at Metro Detroit hospitals are telling us that they're seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases as restrictions loosen and as more people travel. But they're saying that the majority of positive cases are being seen among people below the age of 60.
If you look at the sort of slope of cases that we're having currently, we're still increasing. So we don't know where the top of the hill is going to be, so to speak.
Dr. Justin Skrzynski says since early February, the number of COVID-19 patients has tripled at Beaumont Royal Oak, with a shift to a different age group.
Right now, we are seeing a much younger population coming in. And by younger, we mean maybe 40s, 50s, as opposed to 60s, 70s that we were seeing previously.
It's the same seen at Henry Ford Hospital. The average age of patients has dropped from 65 to 58.
When we look at the age of people who are hospitalized at the present time, it is not the age group that has been vaccinated so far.
The data can be found on the state's COVID-19 dashboard, which shows roughly 2/3 of those over 65 have received at least one dose of vaccine. For those not fully vaccinated, air travel may be a risk. The TSA says it's on the rise, pushing pre-pandemic levels. Monday, the TSA tweeted this out. Sundays continue to be the busiest days at TSA checkpoints, and yesterday was no exception. TSA screened nearly 1.6 million people yesterday. It was the busiest day in a little more than a year when 1.7 million people were screened on March 12th last year. Mask up.
This is not the time to give up because the end is near. Between vaccination and using these measures, we'll be able to get where we want to get to and getting hopefully to some kind of normalcy.
Now, more on the vaccine front. Henry Ford says that it has given out more than 200,000 doses so far, and by the end of the week, they expect to have vaccinated more than 100,000 people. Reporting live from downtown Detroit this morning, Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.